So if you've always wanted to get a Telfar bag, now is your chance, because they are opening up every bag, every color for 24 hours starting tomorrow, so you can get your hands on a Telfar bag. If you guys are interested in this bag security program, then this is the video for you, because I have participated in 2 of Telfar's bag security programs so far, and I've caught them on actual releases, so I can give you all the tea. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Let's talk Telfar, which is often confused with Telfar, but it's Telfar. This is one of my Telfar bags. I did an unboxing on this bag and another bag in a previous video. I'll link it up above. But Telfar is having a new bag security program, and what that basically means is you go on their site and you pick a bag, whatever bag you want, add it to your cart, and then obviously pay for it. You have to make sure that you use the right address. That's like one of the most important things when doing the bag security program. If you don't use the right address, they're not liable for that, because they tell you in bold print. I know not everybody likes to read, but it is like super important for you to use the right address, because they can't make any changes to it. But what happens is you put in your address, whatever you pay, and then you get your bag, but it doesn't come right away. It comes in a couple of months, but it's worth the wait because you've kind of like secured your bag. Now, I'm not sure if you know, but Telfar bags are notorious for selling out in 2 minutes. They do a lot of drops. It's often last minute. You should definitely sign up for their email list if you're interested in getting a bag, because they'll send out an email maybe like a day or 2 before. Hey, we're dropping this color in these sizes, or hey, we're dropping this limited thing in all these sizes, whatever. But if you want to be in the know, you need to be on their email list. So why haven't you gone and subscribed yet? Alright, so the best thing, once again, about the bag security program is the fact that you get to reserve your bag. You know that this is your bag, and you're gonna get this bag in this amount of time. So for this upcoming Telfar release, the bags will be available for purchase, I think tomorrow, from 9 p.m. to Wednesday 9 a.m. a whole 24 hours. They said it's all the colors except for their UGG collection, which is one of the bags I did the security program for. That was offered back in November for some time between now and like July, I think. This security program is offered now for some time. I think it's between June to September you're gonna get the bag, and it's completely worth it. My experience with this program is they keep their word. Some people start to get their bags earlier than others, and when your bag actually ships, you get a notification that tells you your bag is on the way. I am so impatient in this way. I want to know right away when my bag ships. So I signed up for their ship text notifications, and it texted me when my bag shipped, and I knew I was looking forward to something before I even got any email notification. So that was pretty dope. And of course, if you guys don't know what Telfar is and you're completely like, what? Or you're thinking like, what color should I get? All the colors are so beautiful. All the sizes are so beautiful. I just got my sister a small Telfar bag in tan, and it is like to die for. Like, it is so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite Telfar bags, which is why I went and I took it up my closet. Like I said, I did a whole unboxing where I talked about this and gave y'all all the deets. But for now, I'm just gonna give y'all another sneak peek of one of my favorite bags. I got it in my favorite color. And as y'all can see, I'm one of those. I like to keep the packaging, and I keep it neat, you know. So here is my pink. This is the bubblegum pink Telfar bag. This is the medium size. This goes for, I want to say, $202. Small goes for like $150. Large goes for like $252. With tax, it's usually like $9-10 extra tax. but it is so worth it. It is so cute. Everything about the bag makes you want another bag. I'm trying to control myself. I don't think I need every color, but I have colors in mind that I need. But yeah, this is the Telfar bag. Like I said, 110% worth it. If you're interested and if you've been looking for one and you haven't been able to get your hands on one and you do not want to pay the crazy resale value, because these bots are crazy, please, please, please get yourself in line for the bag security program. There's no selling out. They do unlimited. Buy however many you want. Just know you're going to have to wait for it to get there. So I think that's everything. If you guys are interested in following me in my own Telfar journey, I am pretty frequently getting Telfar bags, and I think I have a good technique down for how to get the bag in general release. Please keep watching my videos. Please subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to like this video because I like to keep y'all informed, because I try to stay informed. So it could be a good relationship. And that is it. Thank you guys again, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!